Over the past 3 decades, many aspiring travel advisors have dreamed of turning their passion for helping others and their travel expertise into professional success, only to find many roadblocks along the way, be it a lack of resources, industry knowledge, or profits their bookings deserve. Fortunately, Nexion Travel Group has now been helping entrepreneurs get on the ball to grow their businesses for 30 years. Thousands of advisors have already achieved a level of success they never thought possible. At Nexion, our goal is to help aspiring travel professionals turn their dream into their own thriving businesses. As one of the leading host agencies in the industry, Nexion caters to a wide range of travel professionals, whether they're new to the travel business, seasoned advisors, an agency owner that employs sub-agents, or a corporate travel advisor that only books air. Nexion proudly supports a variety of travel businesses, from large operations to niche agencies. At Nexion, everyone is supported for success. What truly sets Nexion apart is the personal touch we bring to everything we do. With Nexion, you'll always have access to real people who understand your needs. Whether you're seeking guidance or troubleshooting an issue, you can count on speaking to a knowledgeable team member who genuinely cares about your success. No matter what your business looks like, those who choose Nexion as their host agency can expect what's known as the Nexion difference: more profits, more resources, more support, and more engagement with industry insiders. With Nexion, you can always expect more, including the human touch that makes all the difference.